Okay. Hello, Professor. We are going to present assignment on Canadian fitness safety standards. It's me, Harpreet Kaur, and with my three other teammates, Jaswinder Kaur, Jasnoor Kaur, and Harmandeep Kaur. First of all, what is fitness-related environment? It includes buildings, structures, playing fields, and equipment used for fitness-related activities. Facilities conform to the federal and provincial building code as deemed by their classifications. Now, what are Standard 13 and 16? Standard 13, it is related to all fitness environments and equipment that should be clean, well-maintained, and free from hazards. And Standard 16, all fitness testing equipment shall be checked, cleaned, and calibrated as required. Now, I'm going to discuss about the importance of Standard 13. First of all, it helps maintain safe gym environment. Secondly, it prevents the spread of diseases or skin-to-skin borne diseases or infections. Also, it reduces the risk of injury and it helps in promoting clean gym environment. Now, the importance of Standard 16 will be discussed by my teammate Jasnoor Kaur. Go
Here
ahead,
I'm
please.
here I'm going to present the importance of standard 6. There are a lot of benefits, but here we discuss a few from them. First of all, its importance is to ensure that safety of the members, and to be sure about the regular checking up of the equipment, cleaning of the equipment, and adequate testing of that all equipment, and also to ensure that the facilities are generally the same everywhere in the region. So in the next slide, I just describe the scenario and the consequences of not following the standard 13. First of all, related to the scenario to the standard 13, there is no specific time and the situation that these standards can be overloaded, as they are in place to promote a healthy, safe, hazard-free environment. And about the consequences related to the standard 13 is that, first of all, uh, is that the failure to follow these standards result in facility edit, and secondly, continuous failure to this result in temporary shutting down of the facility until the further notice from the health and the safety department. So the next slides were discussed by my team member, whose name is Jastinder Kaur.
Consequences that are not followed by the scenario 16. Scenario 16, this standard may not always be seen as justified. For instance, if the facility is busy for 1 or 2 hours continuously, then it might possibly that employees had a chance to clean and replace supplies. Water spills could be there, weights may be lifted out, and the consequences of this scenario 16. Equipment could be break or malfunction, may lead to injury for the individuals. If the equipment is not clean, infection may spread out. Next slide, please. Connections. How our standards connected to the Canadian fitness safety standard. Connection, it means bridging the gap between the speaker and the audience by delivering the appropriate information. Cleanliness for safety and the fitness. According to our course, fitness and the health promotion, the category of the fitness related environment is most important as we are going to lead towards bringing a healthy fitness environment in respect to keep safety and cleaning in mind. So the next slides are covered by my partner Harmandeep Kaur.
So now it's time to discuss the purpose. So using the equipment with safety to promote fitness. The safety of the members is the prime importance for the fitness professionals. Adequate attention is required for the proper placement of all equipments, cleaning of equipments as well as the area. In fact, the area must be obstruction free. Basically, the main purpose is to create the awareness among staff and the clients. Now it's time to discuss about the practice. Practicing equipment cleaning plays a crucial role in order to maintain a hygienic and infection-free environment. And the cleaner should clean all the equipment every day in order to provide better and safe customer service. Nowadays, it is very important to clean gym equipment because an infectious disease named COVID-19 is spreading very quickly among all the people in every country. And it is very important to sanitize equipment and every gadget that we are using in the gym or any other area for our better lives. Even if we maintain social distancing and sanitize our hands before using any exercise machine, so it will be a stepping stone towards maintaining a healthy environment. Because the hygiene is most prominent thing in order to give better life to everyone. If we maintain hygiene, so and clean the equipment regularly, so the customers will get a better service, and it would be very good for everybody. And if I discuss about the summary, so it is just protection against the environmental hazards, as a small thing can cause a big hazard and major problems which can be very detrimental for everyone who is using equipment or anything else. Even maintaining hygiene level at fitness areas is also very important, because hygiene is something very crucial in every field. And if we maintain hygiene, so the number of disease and the chances of getting the disease will automatically decrease. Lastly, prevent spreading communicable disease. As communicable disease are very acute disease, even if we touch the equipment, like COVID-19 is a communicable disease and it is spreading very quickly. So if we clean the equipment and every area in the gym, so it will be very helpful, so that we can save our lives from getting the disease. So the next slides is for references, and these all are the references, and these are the sites from where we get the content and we made this presentation. So overall, this was our assignment. Thank you very much.